Self-healing through consciousness is a fascinating and empowering concept that emphasizes the ability of individuals to heal themselves from various ailments by tapping into the power of their own minds. This approach is rooted in the understanding that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs can significantly influence our physical health. The mind-body connection plays a crucial role in this process, as it highlights how mental states can affect bodily functions and overall well-being. By recognizing this connection, individuals can begin to explore how their consciousness can be harnessed to promote healing. Understanding that stress, anxiety, and negative thought patterns can manifest as physical symptoms is essential for anyone looking to embark on a self-healing journey. This awareness opens the door to various practical tips and techniques that can help individuals unlock their inner healing abilities. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, visualization, and affirmations can empower individuals to shift their mindset, reduce stress, and foster a more positive outlook on life. By integrating these practices into daily routines, one can cultivate a deeper awareness of their thoughts and emotions, ultimately leading to improved health and well-being. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore specific strategies that can facilitate self-healing and enhance the mind-body connection, paving the way for a healthier, more balanced life. Consciousness can be defined as a vital form of life energy that sustains living beings, acting as the essence that connects our thoughts, emotions, and physical existence. This energy is not merely a byproduct of brain activity. Rather, it plays a fundamental role in shaping our overall health and well-being. The influence of consciousness on physical health is profound, as our mental states can directly impact bodily functions. For instance, positive thoughts and emotions can enhance immune responses, while negative feelings, such as stress and anxiety, can lead to a range of health issues, including chronic diseases. This interplay illustrates the intricate relationship between consciousness and the physical body, where the mind acts as a powerful catalyst for healing, or conversely, for illness. When we experience emotional turmoil, it can manifest as physical symptoms, highlighting how closely intertwined our mental and physical states are. Conversely, cultivating a positive and mindful consciousness can lead to improved health outcomes, demonstrating the potential for self-healing. By understanding this relationship, individuals can take proactive steps to nurture their consciousness, thereby promoting better health. This awareness encourages a holistic approach to wellness, where mental and emotional well-being is recognized as essential components of physical health, ultimately fostering a more balanced and harmonious life. Our thoughts and emotions play a pivotal role in shaping our physical health, as perceptions create our reality and significantly influence our well-being. The way we interpret experiences can lead to either positive or negative health outcomes. For instance, a person who perceives stress as a challenge may experience less physical strain than someone who views it as a threat. This distinction highlights how our mental frameworks can directly affect our physiological responses. Psychological tensions, such as unresolved conflicts or chronic stress, often manifest as physical symptoms, including headaches, digestive issues, or chronic pain. These manifestations serve as reminders that our bodies are deeply interconnected with our mental states. When we ignore or suppress these internal tensions, we may inadvertently exacerbate physical ailments, making it crucial to address our emotional and psychological health. True healing requires a holistic approach that acknowledges the importance of internal states. By cultivating awareness of our thoughts and emotions, we can begin to identify patterns that contribute to physical discomfort. Techniques such as mindfulness, therapy, and self-reflection can help individuals process their feelings and reduce psychological tensions. Ultimately, recognizing the profound impact of our mental landscape on physical health empowers us to take charge of our well-being, fostering a more integrated approach to healing that encompasses both mind and body. Taking responsibility for one's health is a transformative step that empowers individuals to acknowledge their role in creating their own reality. By recognizing that our thoughts, beliefs, and actions significantly influence our health outcomes, we can begin to shift our mindset towards a more proactive approach. It is essential for viewers to understand that they possess innate healing abilities, which can be harnessed through conscious choices and self-awareness. This realization can be incredibly liberating, as it places the power of healing firmly in their hands. Moreover, responding positively to environmental stimuli plays a crucial role in this journey. Our surroundings, including the people we interact with and the situations we encounter, can greatly impact our mental and physical well-being. By consciously choosing to engage with positive influences, whether through supportive relationships, uplifting environments, or healthy habits, we can enhance our overall health. Encouraging viewers to cultivate a mindset that embraces positivity and resilience can lead to profound changes in their lives. This proactive stance not only fosters personal growth, but also encourages a deeper connection with one's body and mind. Ultimately, by taking responsibility for their health, individuals can embark on a path of self-discovery and empowerment, leading to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. The concept of energy flow is fundamental to understanding health and well-being, as it posits that the body is a dynamic system where energy circulates continuously. However, energy blockages can occur due to various factors, including stress, trauma, or negative emotions, leading to physical manifestations such as pain, fatigue, or illness. These blockages disrupt the natural flow of energy, creating imbalances that can significantly impact overall health. When energy is stagnant, it can result in symptoms that serve as signals from the body, indicating that something is amiss. Unblocking this energy can lead to remarkable symptom relief as it restores balance and promotes healing. Techniques such as acupuncture, yoga, and meditation are often employed to facilitate this process, allowing individuals to release pent-up energy and restore harmony within their bodies. Furthermore, there is a profound connection between emotional tension and physical health. Unresolved emotions can contribute to energy blockages, which in turn manifest as physical ailments. By addressing emotional issues and fostering a healthier emotional landscape, individuals can enhance their energy flow and, consequently, their physical well-being. This holistic approach underscores the importance of recognizing and nurturing the interplay between emotional and physical health, ultimately leading to a more vibrant and balanced life. Following one's inner voice is essential for achieving happiness and health, as intuition serves as a guiding compass that directs individuals toward their true desires and well-being. This innate sense of knowing often provides insights that logic alone cannot, helping individuals make choices that resonate with their authentic selves. When we listen to our intuition, we are more likely to engage in activities and relationships that foster joy and fulfillment. Conversely, ignoring this inner guidance can lead to feelings of discontent, stress, and even physical ailments. When we dismiss our instincts, we may find ourselves on paths that do not align with our true values, resulting in a disconnect between our actions and our well-being. This misalignment can create a sense of unease and dissatisfaction in life. Therefore, it is crucial for viewers to cultivate awareness of their inner voice and to prioritize actions that feel good and authentic. By aligning their choices with what resonates positively within, individuals can create a life that reflects their true essence. Encouraging viewers to trust their intuition empowers them to take charge of their health and happiness, fostering a deeper connection with themselves. Ultimately, embracing and following one's inner voice can lead to a more harmonious and fulfilling existence. A few years ago, I faced a significant health challenge when I was diagnosed with a neurological condition that affected my mobility and daily functioning. The initial shock was overwhelming, and I found myself grappling with fear and uncertainty. However, as I navigated this journey, I realized the importance of authenticity and pursuing joy in my life. I began to explore various healing modalities, including mindfulness practices and positive affirmations, which helped me reconnect with my true self. Embracing my authentic feelings allowed me to acknowledge the struggles while also celebrating small victories along the way. As I shifted my mindset from one of despair to one of hope and determination, I noticed a remarkable change in my physical health. I started to focus on activities that brought me joy, such as painting and spending time in nature, which not only lifted my spirits, but also contributed to my healing process. By prioritizing what felt good and aligning my actions with my passions, I began to experience improvements in my symptoms. This journey taught me that healing is not just a physical process. It is deeply intertwined with our emotional and mental states. Ultimately, embracing authenticity and joy transformed my experience, leading to a profound sense of well-being and resilience that I carry with me today. Activating healing within ourselves can be achieved through various techniques that tap into our innate ability to restore balance and well-being. Practices such as sound healing, Reiki, and meditation have gained popularity for their effectiveness in promoting physical and emotional healing. Sound healing utilizes vibrations from instruments like singing bowls or tuning forks to create a soothing environment that resonates with the body, helping to release blocked energy and restore harmony. Similarly, Reiki, a form of energy healing, involves a practitioner channeling universal life force energy to the recipient, facilitating the release of stagnant energy and promoting relaxation and healing. Meditation, on the other hand, encourages mindfulness and self-awareness, allowing individuals to connect with their inner selves and identify areas of tension or discomfort. By quieting the mind and focusing on breath or visualization, meditation can help dissolve emotional blockages and enhance overall well-being. Each of these methods offers unique benefits, and their effectiveness can vary from person to person. Therefore, it is essential for viewers to explore different healing modalities to find what resonates best with them. By experimenting with these practices, individuals can discover powerful tools for activating their healing potential, ultimately leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Embracing a diverse approach to healing can open doors to new experiences and insights on the journey to wellness. Ongoing self-awareness and healing practices are vital components of a fulfilling and balanced life. Staying connected to one's inner self allows individuals to cultivate a deeper understanding of their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. This connection fosters a sense of clarity and purpose, enabling individuals to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience. It is essential to recognize that personal growth and healing are continuous processes. They require commitment and openness to change. By engaging in regular self-reflection and mindfulness practices, individuals can identify areas for improvement and embrace opportunities for growth. Moreover, it is crucial to approach this journey with kindness and compassion towards oneself. Healing is not always linear, and setbacks may occur along the way. During these times, it is important to practice self-compassion and acknowledge that it is okay to feel vulnerable or uncertain. Encouraging viewers to treat themselves with the same kindness they would offer a friend can create a nurturing environment for healing. This gentle approach fosters resilience and encourages individuals to persevere through challenges. By prioritizing self-awareness and embracing ongoing healing practices, individuals can cultivate a more profound sense of well-being and fulfillment. Ultimately, this journey is about honoring oneself and recognizing that every step taken towards healing is a valuable part of personal growth. In summary, we have explored the profound relationship between the mind-body connection and the concept of self-healing. Understanding that our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs significantly influence our physical health empowers us to take charge of our well-being. By recognizing the importance of nurturing our inner selves and embracing practices such as mindfulness, sound healing, and meditation, we can activate our innate healing abilities. Additionally, we discussed the significance of ongoing self-awareness and the need for kindness towards ourselves during this journey. Now is the time for you to take action towards your health and happiness. Start by incorporating small positive changes into your daily routine, whether it's practicing mindfulness, exploring new healing modalities, or simply taking a moment to check in with your emotions. Remember, every step you take towards self-awareness and healing is a valuable investment in your overall well-being. If you found this content helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on health and wellness. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these ideas. Together, we can create a supportive community focused on personal growth and healing. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to sharing more with you soon.